All right. Oh. Yep. There we go. Up. So. Little trick. Push the tab, then lift it like this, and then up it will go. So first the tab, and then this side, and then that side. Up. Do the same, you put it here, and then you pull it towards you. So we still have some plastic. Yep. Some plastic there. First, this one clips in, up, and this one clips over it. Yes. Yep. This one slides in, doesn't clip in, it slides in. So you have to find the holes here. I think it was like this, yeah. Up, stick in the holes, and slide it down, so it's fixed up. Then all the bolts are in, yes. Then you have this one, but a little bit tricky. The edge must go over this edge here, and we'll have a look on the other sides. Yep. Up. It's a tight fit, but it fits. To make sure it's below the seal, wear seal. Okay. We have to drop the window again, I think. Ah, no, it goes in. It goes in. Oh, and then up. So it goes after this edge. Up and up. Just seal. Yep. All right. But now, first, we have to clip this side after the seal, and we'll do that with a little help from our plastic friends. Come on. Come on, baby. Up. Yep. Clippity clip. Clippity clip. Clappity clap. Listen to my hooves. They go clappity clap. Clappity clap. And this is also a bit tricky. Ooh. It has to go this, and also after this. Wait a second. Wait a second. It's rather a pain in the ass. Oh, I can feel it. I got it. Same procedure. Just get your plastic helper. It's a little bendable, so you can do it. Yes. See, it's in there, nice and tight. Yep. And here, it's also good here. Yep. Yes, yes, yes. Double yes. Yes. It will work just fine. Yep. Yep. Okay. Now, installation. This was just mounted with some some mounting paste